That's an interesting question, I would say. Yeah, we started it when we had 2 projects with 60 use cases, and what we noticed that use cases had common issues, and we brought them together in a meeting place like this, and we noticed the enormous energy that came out of that by the use cases. So that was for me the trigger that we say, okay, we have to bring people that are working in, let's say, digital innovation in the agri-food domain. We have to bring them together more and more, because nowadays we see a lot of, let's say, virtual contacts, but nothing above this physical contact and meeting, sharing, not only the positive things, but also the concerns, the failures sometimes, so that people can learn from each other and build upon each other's results. And that's what we see growing over the years. And I'm very happy to see that that now with so many people, so many projects participating. So this is to be continued forever.
Thank you very much.
Everybody behaves different than in the middle of the project and in the end. So there's understanding where it's coming from, and then you can deal with that. You can handle it. And I think, Harold, that's, sometimes you have to be high notes, and sometimes you have to be very strict.